So what is going on, guys? Welcome to the YouTube channel. If we have not yet met, my name is Peter Roberts. Now in today's video, I want to share with you guys 5 easy ways that I'm generating passive income in my life in 2021. Now building passive income in my life has been a huge goal of mine, but more importantly, I want to show you guys how these 5 passive income sources generate a little under $7,000 per month. And as an entrepreneur, someone who was a dropout, someone who was considered a failure in life, this has began to change my life. And more importantly, I want to share some ideas and ways you can start making money online, as well as how you can start generating passive income online. Grant Cardone, some of the most successful people in life, shared with you that to build true wealth in life, you need to start making money while you're asleep. So here are some great ways that you can start doing this. But before we get started, if you have not yet subscribed to this YouTube channel, that would mean a lot, as well as go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. It truly goes a long way. Let's do this journey together. So guys, the first way I want to jump into building passive income is going out there and investing in the stock market. Now in a second here, I'm going to jump into the computer and break down how this is probably one of the most profitable ways that I'm building income in my life, as well as passive income in my life. Now what I'm doing is I'm harvesting income from my jobs, from my businesses, and I'm going out there and deploying this cash into the stock market. I'm investing my money into the stock market, and as you can see right here, through my brokerage account on Robinhood, this is the place where I buy and sell stocks. I have a little over $68,000 invested. Now the great thing about this cash is that it's working for me while I sleep. Now in this situation last month, as you can see, it is currently changing. I was up $4,950 investing in the stock market. And this means I was able to make money through the appreciation of my stocks. Now in my portfolio, as you can see, we've invested for some time, but over the last month, you can see some gains, you can see some losses, and in average and in profit and in total, I made a little under $5,000 investing my money into the stock market. So the first way I'm building passive income in my life is taking money that I harvest, that I'm earning from my business, investing it into the stock market, letting these stocks that I invest in, some stocks on the right, Facebook, Starbucks, Netflix, Tesla, PayPal, allow me to get growth. As these companies grow, I get a return on my investment. The money is growing at a certain rate, and guess what? I am starting to earn passive income in my life, all from trading stocks, holding them long term, and building wealth for my future self. Now, the second fun way that I'm earning income online passively is through TikTok. Now, TikTok is such a fun platform, and for me as an inspiring creator, this is a great opportunity for you to start earning income. Now, the first way I make a lot of money directly through TikTok is through brand deals. But how can I make passive income? And this is directly through the TikTok Creator Fund. And as you can see, in the past 12 months, I made a little over $1,300 directly on the TikTok Creator Fund. Absolutely fun way. Getting paid to post videos on TikTok, generating income through TikTok is one of the most fun and also a small profitable way for me to start earning income in my life. But on average, we're earning around $3 to $4 per video that I'm posting per day on TikTok. So this is not super much, but I consider it some days are a lot better than other. But on average, I'd say we're running around $80 to $100 per month on TikTok through the Creator Fund. Get paid to post on TikTok is one of the newest ways that I've generated passive income in my life. Now, the third way I began to generate passive income in my life this year finally was a huge goal of mine, something I've always wanted to achieve as a creator. Sitting on the other side of the camera, you might think, I want to do this as well, Peter. How can I do this? And I thought, hey, I'm going to find a way. I'm going to go get it. I'm going to go make money on YouTube. And that's exactly what I did. As you can see, in the first month of being monetized on YouTube, we made a little over $501. Now, this was a huge goal for mine. This is a huge stepping stone on my YouTube channel, and more importantly, a great way that I'm starting to generate passive income online. Now, this took hundreds of videos leading up to this point, posting videos every day, grinding after a 9-to-5 job, going after there and just finding ways to build an audience on YouTube has been a huge strategy for me, as well as a great earning opportunity for me and you. Don't worry about how many followers you have and start building your brand on YouTube. This has begun to start changing my life, and it's incredible that I can share videos on YouTube and get paid. So real quick, I want to say thank you for all those who tune into my YouTube channel. Now, the fourth way that I've been generating passive income is directly through selling on eBay. Now, eBay for me has been an absolute gold mine when I was at college. In college, I was generating over $2,000 per month in profit on my eBay reselling journey. So what I would do is go to thrift stores, I would go find clothes, buy them, bring them home, and then flip them on eBay for a profit. This business model is so profitable, but once I was at college and when I left college, I had all this inventory left over at my house. Now this inventory continues to sell, and on average, we're making an extra $100 per month selling on eBay. But the whole principle behind this here is, as you can see, the last 31 days, $156 sold on eBay, is that you can make money selling on eBay. Now, back when I was on my grind, back when I was on my mission, going out to thrift stores every day, making $200 to $300 reselling on eBay, eBay, this is a very profitable business model. But the great thing about eBay is once you get your things listed, once you go ahead and take the pictures, get the listing, all you have to do basically is sit back and wait for your orders to sell. There's not much, hard work that goes into the eBay business model. So guys, a great way that you can start generating income in your life, and something that I'm going to get back to when I'm not super busy with other businesses, growing other things, I'm going to get back to selling on eBay. Now, eBay is a great model like I talked about earlier, whether if you're selling clothes, whether you're selling shoes, go out there and find your niche. For me, I sell men's and women's used clothing. The used clothing market is an absolute slammer, so a great opportunity for you to start earning income. So go find some things in your house that you no longer wear. Clothes, shoes, jewelry, necklaces, Supreme hoodies, whatever you got that has value. Everything has value. Take pictures, leave a description, go ahead and list it on eBay, sit back and wait for your orders to sell. This is a great way that I can go out to my businesses, that I can go out there and run around and do other things, and then I can go ahead and get a notification when something on my eBay store sells. So a great way that you can make a little bit of money or a lot of money, depends on how much effort you are putting into your store. But eBay, thank you for helping me generate a little bit more passive income in my life, a great little fun way that I'm starting to build and make money passively online in 2021. Now lastly guys, coming in at number 5 is I was generating passive income through my lawn and landscaping business. Now this was a huge goal of mine. For me as a teenager through high school, I started a lawn and landscaping business, building customers, going out there. I was always the one doing the work. Now for me right now in my life, I'm taking on other businesses. I'm going through a lot of different challenges with other type of business models that I'm working on. Well, guess what? All the customers that I still have on my lawn and landscaping business still have to be served. Over 40 to 60 lawns per week have to be mowed. Landscaping jobs are coming out. But now last month was the first time that I decided to step away from my business, to go out there and have my employees run the show. For me to sit back and make passive income was a huge game changer in my life. This is exactly how it began to change my life. And for me jumping out of the business for 2 to 3 weeks, I was able to generate a little over $1,000 in passive income through my lawn and landscaping business. Now the profit margins went a lot down because I'm no longer in the business. I was working on the business instead of working in the business. But what I realized is that I can have other people run this business. I can go out there and generate income without me being fully present in the business. So guys, from eBay, from my lawn business, from going out there trading on the stock market, from me building a YouTube channel, from me building an eBay business, all these are great ways for you to start building passive income in your life. It takes time, guys. The journey was not easy. Every day waking up, trying to grind, trying to build something for myself has truly begun to change my life, and I'm starting to finally see the rewards. Everyone on social media, TikTok, whatever you talk about, said it's going to be easy to generate income online, to build passive income, to build real wealth. It should take time. It should be hard, but the rewards are so incredible. Every day when I wake up and see that I made money without me trading my time for money is one of the greatest feelings that I experienced in my life as a 22-year-old dropout, an entrepreneur. People told me that I would never be something in my life, that my parents told me that you have to go to college. The society system betted against me every minute of the way, but every day I wake up to try to find a way for myself. I want to help so many people do the same thing, guys. I feel like I can help as many people as I can, share my knowledge, help you guys, guide you on your journey on eBay selling, starting your business, as well as how you can start building passive income in your life. So I'm just so grateful, so blessed for you guys, and more importantly, I'm so humbled to just go out there and attack my journey, to follow my vision, and to try to build as much passive income online. I know building passive income in my life, I want to build $300, $400, $500 per day passively in my life, is a huge goal of mine, because I know that I can make money, not go to work, and start living and helping a lot of people succeed in life. One of the greatest ambitions in my life. So guys, if you made it this far and you have not yet subscribed to the YouTube channel, it would mean so much. As well as if you need anything, questions, comments, concerns, I truly want to help mentor you, help guide you. Just hit me up in the comment section. Hey Peter, I have a struggle with this. What can I do here? I'm just going to hit you back and let's connect. Let's do this together. And more importantly, if you ever need anything, I'm always here for you guys. I love you so much. I'm so grateful for every one of you. And more importantly, we're just getting started on this journey. Let's do it together. If you need anything, I'm always here. Cheers. I love you guys so much. Take care and peace out.